Hey team, really excited to bring to you an update with Mason called our automations section. So over on the left side of your screen now, you're going to see this automation features. When you click into that, it's going to pull open a list of all of your active automations and all of your inactive automations. So essentially what automations are just an easily accessible click of a button. I can run a certain type of report, or I can trigger Mason to do an activity for me. So in this case, if I'm in my automations library and I want to go to one of these automations I don't have available yet. So I see this summarize recent project changes. At any time you want to enable these automations, I'm just going to turn that on and it's going to see that's enabled. And that's going to go to the top here of my active automations list. Now, it's really quick for me to run one of these. If I just want to simply run this one, summarize recent project changes, you have that run button. I'm just going to click into it, and it's going to run that summarize recent project changes for me right here. It'll take about 10 seconds, run this automation, and it's going to ask you a clarifying question specifically to here. In this case, hey, do I just want to run that for one job or all my jobs? Just for simplicity, let's go ahead and say we'll run this update for the single job. When I do that, it's going to give me a report of recent project changes and even some things to look out for. So I'll just let that fully list out. We'll scroll through it again. But as you'll see here, that report's done. If I go to the top, it's going to show me that beginning. Here's my recent project changes. Here's a window that it reviewed, so the date's there. And then here's top 5 highlights, so things that are most important. Appliance selections approved, countertop selections are open, so on and so forth. You're going to see here, action needed. Things are blocking what's coming up next too. So you can see a full list of that with some detail. And then here we'll have some decisions that are needed as well, so you know what to pay attention to. Do you need to approve a change order? Do you need to send out a bid? It's going to pull that information in here. So it's really quick to just access those automations at any time from this library and run them. I want to show you the second way to run an automation as well. So at any time, and let's say we want to do that exact same automation, I'm just going to hit this Ask Mason, top left, and we'll start a new chat. Anytime I do want to run one of those automations, I can click into this little lightning bolt here, and that's going to show my automations that I can select and choose, or if I want to say here, I can just and you're going to see those automations pull up. I can type the one in that I want, or in this case, I'll just go ahead and choose that and then run that again. And it's going to run that exact same report and automation that we just did. So really easy way to access these automations. There's a lot that you can cover here. There's a ton available. Feel free to dive into this library anytime just to see what is new. And of course, as always, if you have any questions, reach out to us at Rezio or your customer support coach. Thank you.